With Scratch, we can make a dictionary for many languages. This time, we will make a dictionary to translate English into French. This is the result. Create a new project in Scratch. Let's start by adding background and sprite. We will use a theme, People on Outer Space. Delete the cat sprite, then add sprite named Ripley. Move this Ripley to the center of stage. Then add backdrop with name Galaxy. Save your work as dictionary. At this project, you will need an additional blocks, or extension blocks. To add these blocks, click here. Then add extension blocks. This time, you will add translate blocks. Then, you will have new category, translate. When the green flag is clicked, we will change the sprite costumes and make animation. Choose Ripley sprite, then add these coding blocks. Do you know what these blocks for? These blocks will make animation by changing Ripley costume every second. Let's do it. Arrange the blocks according previous guideline. When green flag clicked, add forever loop. Inside the loop, add wait 1 second block. And add purple block to change costume. Then, add these coding blocks. You can get this light blue block from sensing category. We use the light blue block, so Ripley can ask something and you can answer it. The bottom block is used to display the translation. Looks confusing? In Scratch, you can put some blocks inside other blocks. The bottom block actually made from several blocks, purple, green, and light blue. The green block is from extension. It is used to translate a sentence from one language to another. This time, we will translate your previous answer into French. If you want to translate into different language, you can select the language from here. Your previous answer exists at light blue block, the answer block from sensing category. Then we will display the translation result using purple block. Okay, let's create those blocks carefully. For the bottom block, you can start from purple block. Then the green block. And light blue, the answer block. Okay, we are done. Try to use it. Click the green flag. And enter a sentence. Then Scratch will translate the sentence into French.